Welcome to Home Hobbies and Health. In this video, I'm going to talk about these Baraka Neti pots, and I'm going to talk about the features, and I'm actually going to show you me using them, how easy it is. So my husband actually bought me the purple one for Christmas and liked it so much that he bought himself a blue one. Used to use the plastic ones. These are so much better. You can clean it by hand or in the dishwasher. I prefer to do mine by hand, not in the dishwasher. I don't want any chemical residue left in there. But also, these are made in the USA, so major plus there for me. It tells you how to use it and some tips to be aware of. So I actually like to keep that on hand. This is the salt that it comes with. It comes in a bag. I transferred it to a clean glass jar. And just to let you know, in terms of the pressure, it is a very nice, gentle pour, and you don't have to worry about it coming out of the top or anything like that. I was concerned about that, and I had no issues with that whatsoever. So let me show you how to actually use it and how I do it. So I pour in some, and always use distilled. It has to be distilled for safety reasons, distilled water. So make sure it's not too hot, not too cold. I test it with my finger, and of course making sure that they are very clean. So once the temperature is just right, you can also pour it on the top of your hand as well. But according to their instructions, if you have a cold, you want to do about a teaspoon of their salt. If you're just doing regular maintenance, you can do a half a teaspoon. The salt dissolves really, really easily. I really like that. So I just give it a nice stir, and then once it is fully dissolved, I go ahead and I want to go ahead and do the rinse. And this is me doing the rinse. So you just simply lift it up and you pour it through one nose, one nasal, and it goes right out the other. No yucky snot comes pouring out or anything like that. And it's just really nice. It keeps your nasal passages clean, really helps to get that extra yuck out there. So I hope you found this video helpful, and all the links are down below for where we purchased ours on Amazon.